Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hi everyone, it's time for a Hakka lesson right here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 X 彭。
你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And once again, it is the month of December, which means we're down to the last few days of 2007. 2007年已經馬上又要拜拜。拜拜怎麼說啊？
張來了。
就張來了嗎？那是再來玩而已，也沒有別的。還是說也是一樣，拜拜。
拜拜。
也可以嘛，對不對？
高鐵嘞。
Hey. Anyways, 2008 is just around the corner. And then, of course, there's going to be a lot of festivities that we want to attend, especially New Year's Eve. 也就是跨年的那一天晚上，對不對？
錯。
啊。
就會過新的一年。
過新的一年，就過新的一年，是不是？
錯。
Okay, that means crossing over to the new year. 那 Alice 那個跨年有沒有什麼事情要做啊？
初一了。
初一了，出去玩嘛，對不對？
錯。
如果真的要正式玩，因為現在要召集很多好朋友要一起出去玩嘛，那可能要問說，你要去哪裡跨年？
你要去哪位過年
？I'm asking her if you want to get a crowd of friends to spend New Year's Eve, how should you ask this question in Hakka, right? 再講一次。
你愛去哪位過年？
過年 Okay, that means where do you want to spend New Year's Eve, basically?
好。
那你的答案呢？
看田火炮過年。
這是什麼東西？看田火？
看煙火過年。
Oh, that's right, of course. Hey, Alice is gonna go watch some fireworks, as most people will too, you know? 101那邊每一年都有很棒的這個煙火秀。
有啊，我去年有去啊。
你去年有去嗎？
有啊。
Okay, so if your answer is I'm going to the 101 to watch the fireworks, 要去101看煙火的話是怎麼說？
去101。
101 is the 101, okay? 去101。
看田火炮。
看田火炮。
過年。
說田火炮是 fireworks.
煙火。
It literally means the fire in the sky. 對不對？在天上的火就對了。OK, 那已經快到了這個2008年，快到12點，半夜12點，11點59分50秒的時候要幹嘛？
算
4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10。
算到咗來啊
！10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 Yeah! I can do it. I thought I couldn't do it in reverse. Anyways, those are the 10 numbers in Hakka. Have a happy new year, and that does it for today's Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會獨家贊助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.